Any other thoughts that you want to add, guys, as we come to the
Yeah.
end of this conversation?
Um, I'll just add that I think the biggest problem right now is that data comes in chunks in
Mhm.
different stages of the asset, but it's still one asset, right?
Yeah.
And ultimately, where I think we should get to is we should have a single record from when the site was, first designed in the development process. And then that same record should be transferred over, and hold all the EPC data. And that means what failed, what quality was flagged, all those details that kind of get lost within all the PDFs and all the Excels and all the punch lists and all the work that's been done, that's not really captured. And then it is also where scopes start and end. You have a different scope from who designs the plan, and then, they give you all the information, and then it's on to the next. And then the next grabs all the documents, does their thing, finishes, and then it's up to the next. But it's still a single asset. So where I would like to see us grow is it just should be one thing. We should be able to tell what the development engineer was thinking. We should hold all the information of who built the plant. We should have, you know, all the operational data, which is we're getting pretty savvy around it and how do we historize it. And then, we get to a place where I know Armando is really passionate about, and it's the levelized cost of energy. And at the end of the day is, did we make the right decision initially, and did that pay off in the operational side of it? Or did we make the wrong decision initially, and our projects are not as profitable? So I think data should be just encompass the whole life of the asset, and we should use it as best as we can so that we can understand how to build better plants, how to make better decisions, how to not just buy the cheapest equipment, but like just not just the initial cheapest equipment at like face value, but to really buy the optimal equipment that will sustain the asset in the best possible way. So I really hope we get there because we are tech. And speaking to everybody who wants to join, we are tech. We're using AI, we're using SCADA systems, there's controls, there's data. Like wherever you look at it, I'm working remote and I can access a plant in Texas. That's fun. And it is fun to be able to watch it live and to drive insights and to have information even being so far away. So we are tech. And I think where we're going is where it gets the most fun. There's a lot of like Armando said, energy is the pinnacle of our society. And our energy consumption is only growing faster than we can all catch up. And we need the AI to support this. We need the computer scientists to help us, you know, gather all, build a code so that we can be program agnostic. So what I'm trying to say is we are tech and we're not just a commodity. We are like, this industry is a necessity. So I think it's pretty cool to be able to have all those insights and see everywhere I look in the solar industry, people are driving innovation, people are driving insights. I think everybody's working with data to a fault because we can't all agree how to unify that data, but we're all data driven. And I think I'm just really excited to be a part of this group and be able to be part of this transition where everything's growing so fast. We need energy and we need data to help us, data and technology to kind of help us get there. Because there also is not going to be enough people to build our sites, and there's not going to be enough people to be monitoring such large assets. So we need data, we need technology, and really we need people who care about what they're doing and who want to put, passion and effort into having good, reliable power plants to power our grid.
Well, thanks for that summary, Jimena and Armando. What a great in-depth conversation about the challenges of data in this very rapidly growing segment of the energy world. At this point, solar is well into the mid single digit percentages of our energy infrastructure worldwide, and it is growing, as we talked about, very rapidly, probably 20 to 30% compounded annual growth rate worldwide. And with that comes all this data challenges for the largest and also small and medium-sized developers. And this conversation has been a eye-opener for me in terms of the vastness of optimization and improvements that we can bring to the industry. And I hope that will bring more data scientists and tech people to help these issues we're facing as an industry. Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you, Armando, Jimena, for this conversation. Yeah, with that, I will end this solar conversation with more to continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.